Hi guys, Meredith here with Nature's Eats. Today we're making dark chocolate banana muffins, which are a quick, healthy grab-and-go breakfast. And of course, this recipe has almond flour, which I love because it's a healthy alternative to traditional flour. It's high in protein and low carb. And let's be honest, the best part of this recipe is the dark chocolate. And here are the ingredients. 3 cups of almond flour, 3 ripe bananas, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips, and cooking spray. I really love this recipe because you can make it ahead of time and serve it as a nutritious breakfast or serve it as an afternoon healthy snack for the kids. Once it's all mixed together, put it in your muffin tin and bake it at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And there you go, super easy and super tasty. You can find Nature's Eats blanched almond flour at your local grocery store, Walmart, or online. I'm gonna dig in.